Guys, welcome to my channel MateABC English, and today I want to show you how to resolve mathematical reasoning problems for competitive exams. This is the fourth part, so let's get started. The second question says, an antique calendar based on the moon movement proposed weeks of 7 days, months of 4 weeks, and more extra days in order to adjust 365 days per year. How many extra days were on the calendar? And it says on the note, it's not 29. Okay, so there are 7 days per week and there are 4 weeks. So there is 7 days on the first week plus 7 days on the second week. There are 7 on the third week. And finally 7 days on the final week. So there are 28 days per month. So how many months are there? So we need to divide 365 over 22, and this is so as you can see on this division we get 13 months, but there are 1 day that we need to add in order to adjust to 365. So as you can see, there are 1 day that we need to add in order to adjust the calendar. So thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, subscribe to this channel, also click on the bell so you can receive the new notifications. So see you guys on the next video. See you.